Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us know more about the basic nutrient protein. How is it good for weight loss? Its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Protein is the basic building block of our body cells. In our daily diet, protein is a must-have food component that helps your muscles to grow and strengthens your muscle fibers. High protein intake can burn excessive fat stored in your body. This food component provides essential amino acids to your body and also helps in the growth of hair and nails. Besides, your body uses protein to build and repair tissues. Excessive intake of protein may lead to weight loss, but this losing weight is only for short term. Therefore, limit the quantity and eat as much as your body needs and can digest at the same time. Now let us see the reason to keep protein in your daily diet. Protein is an essential component for your body so that you can perform well. But keep in mind that you shall take protein according to your need of the body. Protein helps your body to maintain a sound immune system. Thus, it protects from harmful bacteria and viruses. It promotes proper body growth in teenagers and children. A diet which contains a significant amount of protein helps to reduce blood pressure and fight diabetes. Protein along with vitamin E supplement is beneficial for having beautiful glowing skin and long shiny hair. It promotes cell division and cell regeneration. High protein intake in your daily diet boosts metabolism and helps in reducing weight. Now let us see, is protein good for weight loss? Your diet should be rich in protein because protein replaces those foods which are rich in fats and carbohydrates. Protein reduces the hunger hormones and boosts the secretion of satiety hormones. Thus, it reduces hunger and promotes weight loss. Eating plentiful protein helps to prevent muscle loss when you lose weight. It also keeps the metabolic rate very high when doing strenuous exercises. Certain foods that are rich in protein with numerous health benefits are whole eggs, fish, cottage cheese, broccoli, chicken breast, oats, and many more. They are not only rich in protein but have an abundant amount of vitamins and minerals and are an excellent supplement for weight loss. A few pulses and grains like lentils, chickpeas, and peanuts are good sources of protein that aids in weight loss. Now let us note down a recipe of mixed sprout salad for weight loss. A healthy snack of sprouted lentils and beans with lemon juice and spices in a protein-rich side dish, which is an ideal salad for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients for the same. You need half cup chickpeas sprouted, half cup mung beans sprouted, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves chopped, 1 green chili chopped, half cup onion chopped, half cup tomato chopped, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Please note down the method to prepare the salad. Mix all the ingredients and serve. You may vary the combinations according to your liking and choose any grain sprouts which you like. I hope you agree with me and include more protein in your diet for weight loss. Thank you.